Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Happy Easter. I hope the bunny came and gave you everything you wanted and more. We are here in Baildon today, going for a little walk, showing you a bit of a hidden forest. So stay tuned, get your chocolate eggs out. This should be another good one. So this is a great little walk. It's not too long. Go through a forest, we see the watering hole, the streams, ponds, everything that we all like in walks. And as you can see here, we've just parked up, beautiful little cliffs. So if you park at the car park, head straight down, follow the road, you'll get to this corner and you head straight down into the forest. So you'll head down and you will enter this field now. There are usually horses in here, very nice little horses, but again, maybe put your dog on the lead, unless you're well trained, like this guy.
Yeah.
As you come down from the field, what you want to be doing is turning left, hugging the wall on the way down, and that will take you to the watering hole. It's another beautiful day, 16 degrees. It's been a bit of a rough week, but I think the weather's turning now, the clocks have changed. Just like that, we've made it to the first stop, the watering hole. Great for a little refreshment for the dogs, as you can see. No lunch today for us, but if we had lunch, I'd definitely recommend this spot. It's one of the nicer areas, as you can see. If you get a bit of sun, it is beautiful. There's a lot of wildlife about, loads of birds, swans, deer. There did used to be a pig down by the watering hole, but rest in peace. You have a little bit of a steep decline here, especially in the winter months. It can be a little bit dangerous, so take extra caution. So we've entered the forest, as you can see, just crossed the stepping stones, and it's quite a big forest. There's a few different pathways through, but everywhere you go, it's amazing. We're following the stream down at the moment, and that should take us to the fishing pond. So as you can see, this is filled with wild garlic. If you're ever feeling a little bit ill, a little bit of this in a soup will do the world of good. As well, if you look hard enough, there's a lot of deadwood around, so any overnight camps or stays, your fires will be all good. Just like that, we've reached the fishing pond. Beautiful waters here, no dogs allowed. Got to keep your voice a little bit down in case the fishermen are out, but this is a really beautiful blue little lake. just like I was on about local foragers staying the night in this beautiful forest, all the wood you need next to the fishing pond is a great spot. You keep following it past the fishing pond, follow the river, you've got the golf course on your left, and we're approaching a nice big bridge. No, you're all a fan of them. As you can tell, this walk's amazing. You get a little bit of everything and it's really quiet. Hardly anyone else around, not many people know of it, which really surprises me to say how picturesque it is here. And if you're a seasoned fisher, does it get any better perching up here, casting into the beautiful blue little pond? And at this point we've just looped back around to the horse field on the way up, so it's another circular, very easy to do. We've got a bit of a hill on the way back up, but it's nothing too much or too long, so it's a pretty moderate walk all in all. So Alice, you've done this walk before, but how do you rate it?
I would give it a 9.
9?
Yeah.
So that walk is just over 3 miles long. It's taken us about an hour and a half to complete. So it's a perfect length on a nice sunny day like today. So I'd definitely recommend this. Around here there are a lot of busy areas like Cow and Calf, but this is a lot less well known, just as nice. So all the locations are dropped as normal. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.